Hello everyone and welcome to my channel 𝓭𝓸𝓷𝓽. I hope you had a wonderful New Year's. I hope you had a wonderful Christmas, guys, and it is time to come back to bedazzling. So right here I do have a Labubu from the Pin for Love series, guys. This is the letter U and it's giving me those Valentine's Day vibes, so you know that's next month, but guys, I'm pretty sure it's gonna come quick. So I wanted to bedazzle it, have it ready to wear, and I'm going to show you exactly how to bedazzle it so you can bedazzle your own as well. So let's begin. I'm starting off with some materials. I am going to be using Liquid Fusion as my adhesive. I do have it in my precision tip bottle right here, which makes it easier just to apply to the item, in this case the Labubu. I have my pickup tool that I'm going to be using to apply the rhinestones, and I am starting off with some pink rhinestones. I do have two different shades in an AB tone. As usual, I will have the materials linked down below in the description so you guys can go check it out if you are interested. So let's begin. So guys, for this one, I have some ideas of what I'm going to be doing, but I'm just going to go with the flow. I am going to start off with the face though, guys. I do want to bedazzle the whole thing. We're going to see how it goes, okay? So I'm going to start off with the little cute nose. So like I said, I have two different shades of pink right here. And with my Liquid Fusion, I'm going to go ahead and apply just a bit on the nose. I'm going to spread it around just a bit. And then I'm going to go ahead and apply the rhinestones. Just like that. Cute, right? So now, like I said, I do want to bedazzle the face, guys. I don't know. It is very small, so it should be quick. I'm gonna go in with some transparent rhinestones right here in a size 6. And I'm gonna go ahead and bedazzle the eyes first because I want to make sure those are fully covered. I'm gonna apply Liquid Fusion. These are smaller areas, guys, so I can fill them in at one time. You know, still working by sections, obviously. I filled in just the eye area. And then I'm gonna go ahead and apply the rhinestones. I am going in a circle all the way around the eye. And now I'm going to fill it in, following the edge until I have completely filled in the interior. Now that I am done filling in this eye, I'm going to go ahead and fill in the other one. So this is how it's looking now. Like I said, I do want to do the whole face, so I'm going to go ahead and do the teeth now. Again, applying the Liquid Fusion, but now I'm going to do maybe 2 or 3 teeth at a time, just applying it in that area. And the size 6 is the smallest I have, but I would maybe recommend going for like a 4 or 5 just so it fits a little better. I'm just working with what I got. So as you can see here, I am applying the transparent rhinestones to the teeth now, filling in those areas. And this is how the smile looks now. This is so adorable, guys. Oh my god. And I love the little pink nose. Now I'm going to do the rest of the face. I'm going to go ahead and do one circle around it first, just to work as my guide, you know. And I'm going to push the hair back a little bit so I can see that line better. Like that, still using my transparent size 6 rhinestones. I'm gonna follow that line of blue. If you do mess up, you can use some tweezers. I put this one backwards. Sometimes it's hard to see. when the rhinestones are transparent and I'm recording, you know, it happens. So now I'm closing it up because I have reached the other end. Just like this. Make sure the rhinestones are exactly where you want them to be. So now you can see I went all the way around. And now I'm going to fill in the inside. So now I'm going to continue with the circles of rhinestones. Doing the same thing. Working my sections and applying my rhinestones. So this is how it's coming along. I did this whole bottom part, just applying the rhinestones like right in between the teeth, still going in my circles. And I'm going to continue until I reach the middle area around the nose. Look how cute it looks, guys. I am done doing the face. I also do want to bedazzle the hands and the feet with the transparent rhinestones. So I'm going to apply the glue on them and then just apply the transparent rhinestones. These are pretty small areas, so I can do the whole thing at the same time. Let's do it. And I am going to be very careful that I don't touch the face because it is still fresh. Okay, so very carefully, I kind of like to push the fur out of the way, grab it. This is way smaller than a regular Labubu, guys, so it's a little hard to do, especially with my nails, but let's do it. So it has the glue, and now I'm gonna go in with the rhinestones. So I did this hand, I'm going to do the same thing to the other and the 2 feet. So I am done bedazzling the feet, the hands, and the face, guys. Look at that. So cute. Now, guys, I want to do the ears. I am going to let it dry for a bit though, because I want to be able to like touch the face so I can bedazzle it easier. So I'm going to take a little break and then we'll be back. Okay, guys, so I'm back. Now I'm going to do the ears. I'm going to push the hair out of the way. And I'm going to use the hot pink ones on here. I don't want the hair touching it, so move it out of the way. Apply liquid fusion to the whole area because it's pretty small, like that. And then I'm going to go ahead and apply the rhinestones. Just like that. I'm gonna do the other one. So guys, I am done doing the second ear. I did have to add an extra row here because it's a little bit bigger than this side. You know, not all Labubus are made equal. So yeah, but it still looks super cute. Look at this, she's coming together. Guys, now I'm just gonna do like a little, I'm gonna have a little bit of a free range right now because I'm just gonna go ahead and apply rhinestones randomly all around. You can leave it like this if you want. As far as you want to go, keep going, you know. So like I said, free range. I got these color rhinestones right here. I'm gonna add more of the same ones, just different sizes, and I'm just gonna scatter them around her, guys. She's gonna look so blingy and cute. Watch. Okay, so I have my mixture of sizes right here in the 2 shades of pink, and I'm just gonna randomly scatter it around the body. You guys are gonna see right now. Freestyle it, have fun with this. So I'm gonna dot the glue. So I'm gonna do this side and I'm gonna let it dry. And then I'll do the other side, so again I can grab it without the rhinestones falling off. Okay, so I just started the glue randomly, and now I'm gonna apply the rhinestones just like that. Don't forget where you put the glue. I know it's a little hard to see here. I'm just going around. Just to give her that extra bling, you know? Just like that, guys. Oh my god, look how cute that is. I'm gonna do around the face too. Again, just dotting the glue. Like that. Make sure your glue is fresh. Oh my god, look at this Labubu. It's so adorable. This is too cute, guys. I'm gonna let this dry and then I'll do the back side. Okay, so I am done with this. I'm gonna let this completely dry for a few hours and I'll be back to show you guys. Okay guys, so it is completely dry. Look at it. Oh my god, it is so cute. I love how tiny it is, guys. I even bedazzled the little U with the tiny SS6 rhinestones. I think this is so Valentine's ready and so cute, guys, and so easy to do, right? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you learned a little something. Now you know how to bling your own little Labubu. How cute is it, guys? Leave me a lovely comment down below and let me know what you think. As always, remember all materials are linked down below. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe if you have not. Once again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.